Do you have a garage space that has a big room above it and you don't know what to do with it? I want to use that space, but my furnace is at the other end of the house. No ductwork goes to it, and I want to heat it, and I probably want to cool it too. We want to use it for maybe a rec room or another bedroom. And I even get people who work from home and they want an office that is completely isolated from the rest of the house for their privacy and for being just quiet so they can concentrate. They were never cool enough in the summer. They were never warm enough in the winter. It's such a simple thing if you plan ahead, and that's the real key. So this is a really popular thing for us to put a ductless mini split in. Right now is the ideal time. Make your house comfortable. Make your house work for you. There's a lot of stuff out there that's available, and if you ask the right questions, you'll get some pretty good answers, and then you'll be able to decide what's best for you. Stay warm, stay cool, but stay tuned.